Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at that Can-Am Outlander Max Limited. We just installed the Tusk street legal kit on it to make it street legal here in Utah. The only additional items you'll need to make it street legal are the mirrors. These mirrors are from Can-Am. Very nice looking adjustable mirror. So how does the street legal kit work? Simple. You've got this rocker switch operation here. You do have to turn the power on to the system and then simply rock left to indicate left. We've got the 3/4 inch amber LEDs installed. Very nice and bright. Got good visibility on the front and then on the back. Very nice. To go right, simply take the rocker switch to the right. Anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole, you can mount that light. And on the back. Very nice. The Tusk Street Legal Kit also comes with the license plate mounting hardware as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. That's also required here in the state of Utah. And your horn button is also integrated into the rocker switch assembly that's mounted up there on the handlebars. Very nice, very simple, very clean looking kit. We do have them available here at Big Pine Sports, 435-427-3338. You can check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Once your street legal kit is installed, you will need to get it inspected. And if you live in another state other than Utah, check with your local DMV to find out if you can make your Outlander street legal as well. Have a great day, everybody.